Well, hello and welcome to Snake River Junction. My name is Gary. In this episode, I am working with a Union Pacific diesel locomotive made by AHM. It is a GP18. My next project just arrived. It is a Union Pacific diesel locomotive. It's an EMD, it's a GP18 made by AHM. Definitely need a cleaning because the wheels are black. And this is either weathering or dirt because it just came off. The seller said it doesn't work. So let's get inside this thing to see what's going on. There are two screws just under the front truck. Once the screws are removed, you should be able to pull the shell off, separate it from the underframe. Got to be careful of that little clip there. It goes in the back right here. So weight inside. To get access to the wheels, use a small screwdriver. Get behind the clip and the frame. Give it a little twist. The cover should then be able to come off. After removing the coupler, removing the wheels, there is a lot of dust. Removing the fuel tank and weight, there's little tabs right underneath drive shaft. Push them in with the screwdriver and you can remove the fuel tank. Removing the front truck frame, same way I did the rear. A lot of old grease. To remove the truck assembly, use a small screwdriver to get behind the truck mount clip and give it a twist. Be careful not to send it across the room like I just did. That went flying, so I'm going to shut it off. Go find it, but I was able to find it. Once the mounting clip is removed, you could then drop the truck assembly out of the underframe. Removing the front truck light holder and truck mount. Desoldering the motor wires, first the top. Adding a little black tape to the wires so I know which ones go together. These clips hold the motor in. Takes off this little clip. Desoldering the bottom motor wires. removing the front truck assembly. Everything has been taken apart. I'm going to save you the boredom of me cleaning the parts. So I'm going to clean the parts off camera. Everything has been cleaned. Before putting it back together, I'm going to test the motor. Not sure if you can see it, but the motor is working. Adding a little synthetic oil to the shaft, to both the motor and the truck assemblies. Reassembling the trucks by feeding the assembly and the wires through the underframe. And then the clip for the rear truck that doesn't have light fixture holder snaps right back on. I used a screwdriver to make sure it was fully on. I did the same procedure for the front truck. Twisting together the blue and black wire and then the red and black wire before soldering them. A little flux. This makes it flow better. Probably don't need it. Tinning the wires. Soldering the blue and black wire to the top of the motor. Then the red and black to the bottom of the motor. Testing the connection. Reattaching the motor drive shaft. Clip in this little ball. And then you gotta carefully get the other one in. There we go. Reattaching the motor holder clip. Oh, the railing broke off, so I gotta fix that. I did that by gluing pieces of a plastic window to the railing. Adding high temperature grease to the gears. I turned the drive shaft to spread the grease out. So to put the wheels back, you want to get the copper behind the wheel. You squeeze this in a little, slide the wheel down. That one missed it. There. Put the cap on. You gotta slip it through this little hole here. It should snap in. reinstalling the weight in the shell, reattaching the shell to the underframe, and the screws. Reinstalling the weight, and then the fuel tank cover. This is only one way to put it in. Reattaching the screw. Get my little test track where I noticed the couplers were too low. I corrected the problem by attaching the coupler box to the top of the truck frame. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye for now.